Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw clouds with sun. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw the clouds. For that, draw oval shapes connecting each other like this. And let's draw another cloud and the other one. Now let's draw the sun. For that, draw a half circle here and the lines for the rays. Now using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.